So guys, SonicWorld2699 here again, and doing as I promised, Minecraft Survival. I'm not far ahead in the game. I just collected some minor stuff, some stuff that I need to play the game first, because I haven't played this in a while, and I think this is my nanny, so hang on, I gotta block the camera.
What did I tell you when you fucking
Oh my gosh! Yeah, I think so. This is... Oh, yes it is. Hello, my buddies. Let's go. Let's go deeper in here. Nothing. So now let's go into this cave right here. Where I heard the zombie.
Yes. Do not fall.
That's perfect.
You're 20 minutes almost ready.
I know. Come on. Ah, 2 pieces? That's messed up. Just tell
Every time I walk in front of you.
Wow, this is a crappy cave. Where's my place to get out of this? Oh. Let's check down here, see if there's any iron. No, but hopefully this cow gives me some leather to make my pants. I don't really care about my shirt right now. I just need a pants. Yes! Right now I'm also bootless. I have the most swag in my dead family. Derp. More caves. How am I gonna get over this? Just noticed that. Sad panda. And let's go. If you guys have not met Steve and Bob, then you guys will meet them near the end of this video. Whoa! There's a skeleton there. Can't touch this down and down. Can't touch this down and down. Can't touch this down and Oh! What? Boy? You just messed with the wrong... You just messed with the wrong zombie. Yeah, you messed with the wrong zombie, boy. Creeper, 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 creeper. Creeper, creeper. Where'd you get that creeper? Hey, creeper, where'd you get that creeper from? Creeper? I don't know, creeper. How'd I ask my brother? Creeper. we go. Some more iron. Oh yeah. 9 iron. More. Oh, I love this cave. Okay, I thought it was full. Well, this was a good cave find. Of course, it's nighttime. I'm not going down there. It's a ravine. Yes, I'm going down here. Don't want nothing to spawn down here. Hey, buddy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this soon. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna end this soon. Because I gotta get off soon. Cow. Sprint. Go home, get home, get home.
Where are you going?
About to meet Steve and Bob, guys. This is my house. That's Steve. That's Bob. And Steve, what are you doing on my... Well, guys, I'm ending it here now. Yeah. This was a fun episode. This is a fun first episode anyways. But yeah, I gotta go. I wanted to make this video longer, but every time I would try to make this video, my phone would just mess up. I'm missing one leather. Wow, I guess I can't really do it yet. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end it right here. Sorry about the lateness of this video. So, yeah, guys, later. I didn't mean later about me. I meant later about Minecraft. But yeah, guys, stay strong. Live life by the fast lane. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.